Welcome to Globetrotter Destination. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Taipei, Taiwan. Discover the top 15 things to do in Taipei that will amaze you. For added convenience, we've included timestamps and Google Map links in the video description, so you won't miss any hotspots. We're passionate about exploring incredible destinations. To stay updated on our adventures, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell. Alright, let's dive right into this Taipei treasure trove. Let's begin our journey. First up, we're headed to Taipei 101, an iconic skyscraper that redefines cityscapes. Standing at 508 meters tall, it held the title of the world's tallest building for 6 years. Take an exhilarating ride to the 89th floor observation deck for sweeping views of Taipei. Explore its luxury boutiques and savor local cuisine in the vast mall inside. Fun fact, Taipei 101 boasts a remarkable tuned mass damper, ensuring stability during earthquakes. Next up, we're headed to the historic Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall, a must-visit in Taipei. This grand monument honors the former president of the Republic of China and is a symbol of Taiwan's complex history. Explore the vast plaza and witness the changing of the guard ceremony, a fascinating display of precision and tradition. Inside, discover a museum dedicated to Chiang Kai-shek's life and the nation's history. Next up, we're headed to Ximending, Taipei's lively and vibrant district. Steeped in history, this area was the first pedestrian zone in Taiwan. Today, it's a bustling hub of fashion, food, and entertainment. Stroll along its lively streets, lined with an array of shops, street vendors, and theaters. Ximending is a cultural melting pot, offering a taste of Taipei's youthful energy and diverse cuisine. For a unique experience, catch a street performance or explore the countless themed cafes that make this neighborhood a must-visit in Taipei. Next up, we're headed to Shilin Night Market, a food lover's paradise in Taipei. With a history dating back to 1899, it's one of Taiwan's largest and most iconic night markets. Dive into a world of culinary delights as you savor local street food like stinky tofu, oyster omelets, and bubble tea. Don't miss the bustling atmosphere, colorful stalls, and vibrant street performances. Remember, it's a cash-driven market, so bring some Taiwanese dollars for a memorable gastronomic adventure. Next up, we're headed to Elephant Mountain, a must-visit natural wonder in Taipei. This iconic mountain earned its name due to its resemblance to an elephant's head and trunk. It's not just a hike, it's a journey to breathtaking city views. The trail is accessible, with well-maintained steps, and takes about 20-30 minutes to ascend. At the summit, you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of Taipei's skyline, especially captivating during sunset. Don't forget your camera and comfortable shoes for this stunning outdoor adventure. Next up, we're headed to the National Palace Museum, a treasure trove of art and artifacts in Taipei. This remarkable institution boasts a rich history, with its roots tracing back to China's Qing dynasty. Inside, you'll find an extensive collection of over 700,000 ancient Chinese treasures, including priceless ceramics, paintings, and historical relics. Take your time to explore the vast exhibitions, and don't miss the world-famous jadeite cabbage, a small but exquisite masterpiece. For an enriching cultural experience, this museum is an absolute must-visit during your Taipei journey. Next up, we're headed to Sun Yat-Sen Memorial Hall Park, a serene oasis in Taipei. This park is dedicated to Dr. Sun Yat-Sen, a pivotal figure in Chinese history and the founding father of the Republic of China. Stroll through the lush greenery, visit the impressive memorial hall, and witness the hourly changing of the guard ceremony, a captivating spectacle. Enjoy peaceful moments by the Lotus Pond or join locals practicing Tai Chi. It's a perfect place to unwind and soak in the historical significance of the area. Next up, we're headed to the vibrant Longshan Temple in Taipei. This sacred place of worship has a storied history dating back to the 18th century, making it one of Taiwan's oldest temples. Immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere as you admire the stunning architecture adorned with intricate carvings and colorful lanterns. Witness the devout locals engaging in traditional rituals and ceremonies. Don't forget to make a wish and partake in the incense offerings for a memorable cultural experience in Taipei. Next up, we're headed to the Taipei Zoo and the Maokong Gondola, a nature lover's dream in the heart of Taipei. The Taipei Zoo, founded in 1914, is one of the largest in Asia, home to a diverse range of animal species, including giant pandas. Afterward, hop on the Maokong Gondola to soar above lush tea plantations and scenic vistas. Explore Maokong's traditional tea houses and savor a cup of locally grown oolong tea while taking in the serene surroundings. A perfect day out for both animal enthusiasts and nature aficionados. Next up, we're headed to Jiufen Old Street, a picturesque day trip from Taipei. This charming hillside town was once a thriving gold mining hub in the early 20th century. Its narrow, winding streets are now lined with tea houses, souvenir shops, and street food stalls, offering a delightful blend of nostalgia and culture. Don't miss the stunning views of the coastline and the iconic red lanterns that illuminate the evenings. Get ready for an enchanting journey through Taiwan's history and culture in this unique destination. Next up, we're headed to Shifen Waterfall, a natural wonder near Taipei. This magnificent waterfall is often referred to as the Little Niagara of Taiwan. At a height of 20 meters and a width of 40 meters, it's an awe-inspiring sight. You can walk along the surrounding trails to get different vantage points, and there's even a suspension bridge for a unique view. Shifen is also famous for its old railway track, where visitors can release sky lanterns, adding a touch of magic to your visit. Don't forget your camera to capture this breathtaking experience. Next up, we're headed to Fort San Domingo in Tamsui, a captivating historical site near Taipei. This well-preserved fort has a rich history, originally built by the Spanish in 1629 and later occupied by the Dutch and British. Explore its elegant architecture, lush gardens, and enjoy scenic views of the Tamsui River. Inside the fort, you'll find a museum showcasing Taiwan's colonial history. A visit here is like stepping back in time and offers a unique glimpse into Taiwan's past. Don't forget your camera to capture the colonial charm of this remarkable place. Next up, we're headed to Beitou to indulge in the rejuvenating hot springs, a serene escape from Taipei's bustling city life. This area has a long history of thermal baths, dating back to the Japanese colonial era. You can visit public bathhouses or relax in private hot spring resorts, each offering a unique experience. Beitou's geothermal hot springs are known for their healing properties, making it a perfect destination for relaxation and wellness. Remember to check local customs and etiquette before visiting, and don't forget your swimsuit and towel for a blissful soak. Next up, we're headed to Yangmingshan National Park, a nature lover's paradise near Taipei. Established in 1985, this park is rich in both history and natural beauty. It's famous for its diverse flora, including cherry blossoms and hot springs. Hike the well-marked trails like Chiang Mountain for stunning panoramic views of Taipei and volcanic landscapes. Yangmingshan is also home to unique geological formations like fumaroles and sulfur deposits. Remember to check trail conditions and weather before heading out, and bring suitable clothing and footwear for your adventure in this breathtaking park. Next up, we're headed to Ningxia Night Market, a vibrant and bustling market in Taipei that offers a delightful taste of Taiwan's street food culture. Established decades ago, it has become a local favorite. Stroll through the narrow alleyways and sample a variety of mouth-watering dishes like oyster omelets, fried chicken cutlets, and savory stinky tofu. The market comes alive with colorful stalls, lively vendors, and the aroma of delicious treats. Arrive hungry, try a bit of everything, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere for an unforgettable culinary experience. Hope you guys enjoyed the journey. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and considering subscribing to the channel. Your feedback matters, so if you have any ideas or recommendations, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, check out our Singapore or Osaka videos for more travel inspiration. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.